Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tenna and welcome to my circus. Today's video I am going to be going over the Colourpop x Iluvsarahii collection. We're going to go through it, we're going to swatch them, I'll tell you guys the price points, compare them to some other high-end items that she has collabed with, and we're going to see how this goes. If this is something that you're interested in tagging along with, then go ahead and stick around. Otherwise, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the circus. Otherwise, we will go ahead and jump right on into the video. Alright, so we're here, we've got new products. For those of you that have been on my channel for a while, I know I have been gone for a few weeks on a little bit of a hiatus. I do have a very demanding job in fourth quarter, which you know, is September through really the end of the year, is really busy for me, and like it was to the point where I just didn't have time for myself, I didn't have time to film. Really bad excuse, but just work was just my life 24/7, even to the point where like there were some days where I was showing up to work like not even wearing makeup. So we're back, eyebrows are back on, we're getting back into the makeup game, and I've got some new products that I want to play with. I've actually got a stack of makeup, so the tutorials are going to be coming, the reviews are going to be coming, so stay tuned. I am back on track, we're going to get this thing going again. So what we've got here are these two guys right here. It's the Colourpop x Iluvsarahii collection. So I basically got the bundle, which the bundle is just the eyeshadow palette and the lip trio set, which is very affordable. I purchased the bundle online, which this entire thing together was $39. They also do have a PR kit where you get it in the nice PR box, and you also get like a kaleidoscope deal, and that's $50. I couldn't justify spending $50 on it. Again, like everything that I do on my channel, I buy with my own money. Therefore, I wasn't gonna pay an extra $12 just for a kaleidoscope, which I'm never gonna use, and a box, which I'm just gonna throw away. So I just got the products that were in them, which cost me $39. If you're not interested in getting both of them together, I'm looking on the website down here. The eyeshadow palette alone is $23. The lip trio set, the bundle is $16. And then if you want to buy each of these separately, which I will go over them once I pull them out of the box, there's 2 matte lipsticks and 1 gloss. The 2 matte lipsticks are $6.50 a piece, and the gloss is $6. So Colourpop is a very affordable, good brand. I love using all of their products. They don't break the bank, and I think that they're very comparable to a lot of high-end products out there. They're definitely a cult favorite for a lot of people. So I wanted to go in, I wanted to play with the palette. So the eyeshadow palette is the Through My Eyes palette. I feel like she has done quite a bit of collabs lately, and she's very known for doing collabs with Dose of Colors, which this one being one of her ones that she did over the summer. She just did another one, which I didn't purchase because Dose of Colors is an indie brand. They're really good. However, they're insanely expensive. Like this palette right here alone was, I think, like $35, and there's literally only 6 shades in it. Granted, like the payoff is good, the colors are to die for, things like that, but like literally, like I get this palette which has way more shades in it, like for less of a price. So anyway, this here is the eyeshadow palette. So when you pull it out, it is nice and green and beautiful. Kind of looks like a little kaleidoscope on the background here, and when you open it up, these are the colors here. Beautiful. You get 16 colors, which is a nice mix of matte and shimmer colors. And there's so many different things that I want to play with in here. So we've got a lot of nice little neutral colors. We've got the infamous blue. I feel like every single collab that she does, she always uses this blue. And then this color right here is really speaking to me. It is like this crazy, like brownish pewter, but purple blue. I don't know. It's like crazy. So I'm definitely going to be using that. Like, I'm definitely using it. But that's why I wanted to kind of compare it, because I feel like you can kind of see that the color schemes on a lot of these things are, you know, very comparable. So I mean, granted, it's not the same thing, but we've got that same blue, we've got kind of that nude, a little bit of a story there. So it's pretty interesting to compare them both next to each other. So it's pretty common when we see her do collabs. There's always that blue and there's always that neutral. Same thing with the lip colors. The lip bundle comes in this guy right here. This box just has a bunch of lips all over it. And you open it up, You get 3 lippies, which are these guys right here. You get this nice, beautiful gloss, which is this nice shimmery gloss. You get this nice kind of rosy pink color, and this nice nude, which looks to be exactly my skin tone. So we're probably gonna have to hit it with a lip liner so that my lips don't disappear into oblivion. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let me stop rambling about these products, and I'm gonna go ahead and play with this palette and get it on my face. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with this cranberry color down here. It is in the color Misbehave. I'm just kind of in the mood for like a cranberry color. So I'm actually gonna go in with this nice brush right here. It is a Luxie 213 eye shading brush. So I'm gonna take a little bit on here, and we're gonna see how this whole palette works. I kind of wanna do like a cranberry smoky eye type of deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that on my brush. Obviously there's a lot of good payoff. I'm gonna go ahead and just start packing this into my crease. Alright, so this color went on really well. It blends out nicely, no patchiness, no complaints so far. I'm gonna go ahead and go in to this color right here, which is the color Divina, which is a really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and take this on a nice small blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and pop into this. I really love the payoff on these, and there's literally like no fallout. None. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and go in and cut the crease really quick in the front. So now we've got our crease all nice and cut out. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful color right here called Flex, which is this beautiful just brown, like I don't even know if y'all can see this on the screen, but look at that color. It is beautiful. It's not brown, it's not, I don't even know what it is. It's just, it's really pretty, that's all I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in, and I'm gonna pack this on to this lid. This color, you guys, is like insanely beautiful. Holy cow, I've never actually seen a color like this. You know how they always talk about like, you can't do anything new with eyeshadow anymore, like everybody's done it. Nobody has done this color that I've seen, at least. Like this color is like, I can't tell you if it's brown, I can't tell you if it's blue, I can't tell you if it's like silver, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into that color Divina, and I'm gonna go ahead and go back out into that outer corner here and just kind of blend it all in. So far this palette is like excellent. Like I have zero complaints. I'm gonna go ahead and take that color Misbehave again down here. We're gonna go ahead and drag this along my bottom lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of eyeliner. Any eyeliner will do. Black eyeliner, and just run it along this bottom lash line. I'm gonna take a nice smudging brush. We're gonna go in and smudge this black down into the burgundy that we just ran underneath our eyes. All right, I'm gonna throw on some winged eyeliner and some lashes, and I will be right back. All right, we are back and our eyes are done. You guys, honestly, I'm loving this palette, and especially for the affordability, like this is giving some high-end palettes a serious run for its money. Again, this is what the palette looks like. I know some of you guys are like, but Tenna, this blue-green, like it's just calling my name. I wanna see it, I wanna see it. Well, the reason why I didn't use it is because every other collab that she has done, I've always used the blue. So I decided to not use the blue this time. But I will go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So this one's called Emerald Dreams. I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger. I'm gonna go ahead and boop. So as you can see, she's still beautiful. Here's this one, which is Mesmerize, which is this like buttery, beautiful gold right here. I'm gonna do that one there. Yeah, that one is like beautiful. It's a beautiful bronzy gold. Yeah, and then we've just got like a couple of these other like kind of cool colors. Like here's Moody, which is like a matte emerald green color right here. So yeah, they're definitely pigmented. They definitely are worth the monies, I would say. So yes, we will probably play with these colors more in the future, but I just kind of want to go for some colors that I don't normally use when I use her collabs, which is these colors right here, golds and greens. So yes, I normally do those out of the Dose of Colors ones. Like this one right here, I use the hell out of this blue. So anyways, yeah, this definitely gets 2 thumbs up. Wondering why I picked up this collab. I feel like Colourpop has done a ton of collabs lately, and I feel like a lot of them just have not been standing out to me, except for this one. There's something about it where the colors are just great. It's just like a nice, like neutral palette, but you've got some really, really awesome pops of color, and you've also got some really cool shimmers in here that like I've never seen before. Even this color right here, Canela, this one looks really cool, which is like this matte brown with like silver reflect in it. Like I can't even tell what that is. It's exactly, so it looks silver in the thing, but it's actually gold, and it's a beautiful shimmer color. So like there are definitely some like different colors in here, and like I just feel like, you know, the whole makeup industry is getting so saturated. It's so hard to find like a palette that really stands out and like impresses me nowadays. Like it has to be something that's like seriously different, which there are a few colors in here that stood out to me that I really wanted to try, especially this color that's on my lid right now. If I can zoom in and show you guys what it actually looks like this is probably like my favorite like lid topping color right now. Like I still don't even know what color it is. Like it goes on like brown, but like the glitter shifts from like a silver to a blue. Like I don't know, just wait, just look. So here we are a little bit closer up. So if you guys can kind of see my eyes, if I go back and forth a little bit, you guys can kind of see the shimmer there. Like it's brown, but at certain angles, sometimes it's silver, sometimes it's blue. Interesting, right? Anyway. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into these lip colors really, really quickly. So what I want to use first is this guy right here. This is the color, I think it's Dulcet, I don't know. But it's this nice kind of a peachy pink color. So let's go ahead and try this on and see how it looks. So here is the first color, which is a really, really pretty color. I think that this is gonna be beautiful for spring and summer. It's definitely like a bright salmon color. I'm here for it. I think it's beautiful. Let's go ahead and move on to the next color. So the next color that we have up right here is the color Sueño de Coco, which is this nice nude color. I already know that it's going to be way too light for me. It's gonna probably match my skin tone, and my lips are going to literally disappear. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit of lip liner first. I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop BFF3 pencil and line my lips first. So there it is. I definitely had to hit it with the BFF3 because I could tell as soon as I put it on my lips that it was my exact skin tone. But as long as you hit it with a dark lip liner, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with the topper, which is this guy right here. This is the Glass Lip, the Ultra Glossy Lip. So we're gonna go ahead and use this, which is this beautiful kind of an apricot color, and it has this iridescent like gold, really beautiful lip topper here. You guys, that is the entire look. I am in love with these lipsticks. If you guys have been on my channel before, you know that I am a fan of the Colourpop lipsticks. I think that they go on really well. They're very comfortable, and they seriously give a lot of these big name brands a run for their money. I mean, they're $6 a piece, or it's $16 for the entire bundle. You can't beat it. So again, you guys, that is it. I am done. I freaking love this collab. I think that they did really, really well. I'm really, really happy to see her, even though she kept her blue in there. I'm glad to to see her pull in some other different colors, which just makes this an overall just a really, really great palette. If you are a beginner and you're only playing with neutrals, I feel like this is a really good next best step to where you can get some neutrals as well as some cool fun colors. If you are a collector, I think this is a great idea. I do think that there are a few shades in here that like I just think that have never really been done before in general. And you know, especially the one on my eyes, I will say it a million times again, I wish that you guys could see this in person. Like, it is the most beautiful eyelid topper shade that I have ever seen. It's beautiful. So anyways, you guys, that is it. Thank you for following along on this tutorial and this review. This gets 2 thumbs up for me. I definitely would go out and get this. It's still available on colourpopcosmetics.com. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.